Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, you know, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So you'll see how the new one will work once we get the new one on, because we're going to replace this end on this alternator. Wow, it's in there good. It's in there good. I'm getting right in the edge there. You can get it out. Like that's what I'm doing. Doesn't look good on the inside. I think those are supposed to be bearings and stuff. So we'll see about getting this off. You do need a special tool for this, so you're aware. Here's the kit we have. We got one from the local parts store and it broke once or twice, so we got this other one off the tool truck and it's done the job. So here's the tools that we're going to use to do this job. Yep.
Dan, get his No?
What?
Oh.
There it is.
So Dan didn't get his motor?
You can see that, but that rotates this way, but not the other way. Really, for the most part, it releases. I can feel it releasing. If you can see it, maybe I'll do a slow-mo video for that. It'd be kind of cool. Large hex. There's a large hex on there. That's all it is. And using your impact gun. 2 to 3 short bursts clockwise is supposed to lock it in place. So we're going to leave it at that. It's ready to reinstall now.